Hello student, today we are going to start our exercise 3.4. But before starting 3.4, I want to clarify some concept of numerator and denominator which I have discussed with you earlier. Hopefully you remind all the topics. What is numerator and what is denominator? Let's see. Numerator and denominator. Numerator of fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. Look the figure, the shaded portion. The 1 upon 4. In the fraction 1 upon 4, the line is and the number above the dividing line is 1. The dividing line is this and the number is above the dividing line is 1. So the number above the dividing line, the upper number is called the numerator, and the below number, the number in the fraction 1 upon 4, the number written below the dividing line is called the denominator, and that number is called the denominator. So that is numerator and denominator. Now some types of fraction. Like first is like fraction. What is like fraction? If a fraction is 1 upon 9, 6 upon 9 and 5 upon 9, if the denominator is same in all the fraction, then the fraction is called the like fraction. Now unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? We know that what is like fraction? The fraction which have equal denominator, means same denominator. But if we don't have same denominator, then this fraction is called unlike fraction. What is unit fraction? If the numerator is 1 in all the fraction, then the fraction is called the unit fraction. What is proper fraction? When numerator is less than denominator. When the numerator is less than the fraction which numerator is smaller than or less than the denominator, then is called a proper fraction, and vice versa. An opposite of the proper fraction is improper fraction. In fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is called the improper fraction. Means 7 upon 2, 16 upon 12, 13 upon 10 and 40 upon 31. 7 is greater than 2, 16 is greater than 12, 13 is greater than 10 and 40 is greater than 31. Comparison of a like fraction. For example, I ate 1 upon 2 pizza and ate 3 upon 4 pizza. 3 pieces of pizza slice eaten by the girl and 1 upon 2 part means half pizza is eaten by the boy. Who ate more? Girl ate more. We can say that 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 4. Now let's start. Student, let's start exercise 3.4. You have to put the correct sign. It's the sign of greater than, the smaller than, and is the equal to. Denominator is equal. We have to see 11 and 17. Which is greater, 11 or 17? We know that 17 is greater than 11. Now 12 and 16. 13 is common. Which is greater, 12 and or 16? 16 is greater. Sign is this. 9 or 7? 9 is greater. 9 and 4? 9 is greater. 6 or 7? 7 is greater. 6 and 4. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. 2 or 3? 3 is greater. 17 and 21? 21 is greater. 11 or 4? 11 is greater. 9 or 18? 19 or 18? 19 is greater. 8 or 7? 8 is greater. 5 or 8? 8 is greater. So we write the equal to, smaller than, or means there is no equal fraction. Now second question, which of the group are of like fraction? In this, all denominators are same. In B part, all are not same. In C part, all denominators are same, and D part, all are not same. So in this part, A and C are like fraction. You can say that. In third part, which of the following are the group of like fraction? 5 upon 16, 1 upon 16, 9 upon 16, and 3 upon 16. 16, 16, 16, 16 are like 2 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 11. 7, 7, 7 are like fraction. 8 upon 9, 1 upon 7, 9 upon 10, 7 upon 15 are unlike fraction, are a pair of unlike fraction. So B and D are pairs of unlike fraction. Simple. Now we have to circle the proper fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator. So 1 upon 2 is proper fraction, 3 upon 5 is proper fraction, 6 upon 19 is proper fraction, 8 upon 11 is proper fraction, 17 upon 21 is proper fraction. This is not proper fraction because denominator is smaller than numerator. It is proper fraction. It is also proper fraction. 5 upon 4 is not proper fraction. 2 upon 3 is proper fraction. 13 upon 8 is improper fraction. 15 upon 12 is improper fraction. And 10 upon 9 is also a improper fraction. So only 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, 6 upon 11, 6 upon 19, 2 upon 3, 8 upon 11, 17 upon 21 and 15 upon 16 are the proper fraction. Now in the second question, the question number 5th, we have to do? The circle the improper fraction. 6 upon 7 is a proper fraction, 10 upon 13 is improper fraction, 8 upon 7 improper fraction, it is proper fraction, improper fraction, proper fraction, proper fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, improper fraction, improper fraction, and a proper fraction. 6 upon 7 is proper fraction, 10 upon 3 is improper, 8 upon 7, 9 upon 4, 13 upon 5, 16 upon 8, 25 upon 6, all are improper fractions, and rest are proper fractions. Now come to the next question, question number 6. We have to shade the parts according to question. 1 out of 4 part. We have to shade 1 part out of 4 part and 2 out of 4 part. Which one is greater? Obviously 2 parts out of 4 is greater than 1 part of 4. 2 part out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts. We have to color 2 parts. And in this part we have to color only 1 part. We have to shade 1 part. So which one is greater? Obviously 2 upon 4 is greater. In this part, 4 part out of 5 we have to color. All both are same, so we put a equal to sign in this. So student, that's all from exercise 3.4. If you have any problem, you can ask me during class hours. Thank you, student.